Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're doing another cooking in lingerie, so let me know if you like this piece. And today we are going back to basics. We aren't going to be doing an intricate meal or nothing. We are going to do the basic of basic foods. So if you want to learn the best way to make a grilled cheese, because I've been known to be the grilled cheese master, then you're going to want to watch this. And I think I might do a couple of videos on a grilled cheese because I make grilled cheeses a couple different ways. I like to have different ones, so if you guys are interested in different ways to grill your cheese, then comment down below and I'll make a couple more. So this one is just your basic grilled cheese sandwich with a little tiny addition. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you'll need is some bread, some cheese, a little bit of ham. That's our specialty. So what I like to do is I kind of like to prep this before I get it onto the pan. Find it a little bit easier, and I do have a pan on the stove on medium heat just kind of warming up, because that is a little trick. Warm up your pan before you start your grilled cheese. Trust me, make the world of difference in your golden brownness for your thing. So I have already grated my cheese. I just have marble cheese because that's how I do on this grilled cheese, at least. I used to always have grilled cheese with only like crab slices, and now I don't even eat those, so we've grown up. So got my butter. So what you want to do is open face your sandwich, right? So you know that these two pieces on the bottom are going to be your bottom pieces. This is why I have a paper towel. So you're going to close your sandwich up, and then you're just going to take the one side and you're going to butter it. And here's the thing, make sure you have soft butter, like room temperature butter. It's going to spread butter. It's going to spread butter. It's going to spread better on your bread. Like this one is still kind of ripping my bread a little bit, but it is like room temperature. If you want, you can like melt your butter a little bit just to make sure. But yeah, so you do that. You flip it onto the paper towel so you know it's not going to get all bad. Then you take your cheese and you just give a nice like little thin layer there. So you see that. And we're going to take some ham. And you're going to hear me yelling because every time I open ham to make a sandwich or anything, my cats are just like, ham! So I'm just going to take, wow, Tex just jumped in. There you go. So I'm going to take my ham, and I like to dry it off because in packages ham, I find is a little wet. So we dry that off, and then just kind of like cut it up a little bit just so it's not like big chunks. And then we're going to layer that onto our sandwich. And then this will be the ham tacks for the kitties. 3 of them came, 3 of them got some ham. Okay, so now that we have the ham on, we are going to top it off with the rest of that cheese. So you can have as little cheese as you want, you can have as much cheese as you want. It's a personal preference. And this is my personal preference too, which I feel like is one of my best keys. If you're going to have something else in your grilled cheese, do the cheese on either side because that's going to glue your bread together. And yeah, that's going to glue your bread together and, you know, make sure it all stays together. So then we're going to flip it and then butter this other side. So you don't actually have to do it on the sandwich if you want. Just get that all buttered up. Okay, we got that all buttered up. Now we're going to put that on top. So this is what our sandwich looks like, kind of thing. I'm going to take this over to the stove. Alright, so we have our pan already ready to go. Let's get you in on that. Thank you. Zoom you in just a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna take our sandwich and we're just gonna place it on. And you hear that sound? That means your pan is heated enough that it's gonna start going right away. I find if it's not heated enough, your crisp is gonna take a lot longer, and if it's too hot, it's gonna brown way too quick. See, it's really perfect. So it should be good enough to flip. I just have my little tiny flipper. I find it easier to have a smaller flipper because I get more control. Totally your preference. And then we just take this and we flip. So you see that nice golden crispness on there. And then we just let this sit. And the thing is, with the cheese on either side, the top is gonna melt and the bottom is gonna melt. And then, sorry, my cat. Artie, get down. Cat was on the counter eating some ham. Well, licking the ham, but whatever. So we're gonna let that cook up, and it's legit as easy as that. All you have to do is assemble your sandwich, make sure the pan is preheated, and carry on with yourself. And we can see that the cheese is melting very nicely. So yeah, just another minute on that and we will be serving up some delicious grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. We are eating grilled cheese. I hope you like grilled cheese because it's ready. So, I just like to give it an extra flip just to make sure we're all good in the melty zone. Turn this puppy off and we can dish up. And if you peek, you can see that you've got some of that cheesy gooiness and you are good to go. So look at this grilled cheese gooiness. And we're just going to take a knife and cut it in half. Because that's the way I like to eat my grilled cheese. And look at there. So that is the grilled cheese. Let's give it a taste. It has a perfect crunch, perfect flavor, just that little bit extra. It's a good quick grilled cheese that's a little bit more than just your basic grilled cheese. So good. So that is how you make the perfect golden brown, crispy, delicious grilled cheese. Basics, but easy. So I bet so many of you already know how to make grilled cheese. So I hope you guys enjoyed that grilled cheese video. If you want to see other grilled cheeses, ways to pimp out your kind of like grilled sandwich in a way, then let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know what other cooking videos you guys would like from me. Because, you know, I like doing my little cooking videos. So let me know recipes, ideas, stuff to cook, and what kind of lingerie you'd like me to wear for them. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you make grilled cheese, send me a picture. I love food. I don't know. But I'm gonna go eat my grilled cheese and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.